In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on now visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!